Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Great Florida Air Show is scheduled for Saturday, May 15th and Sunday, May 16th, 2021. Gates open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The show will take place at Orlando Melbourne International Airport in Melbourne, FL.
Take our lead.
Flight performances begin at 11:30 a.m., with the Blue Angels scheduled to take the air from 2:15 p.m. to 3 p.m. both days. The full sequence of flight, according to organizers, is as follows. Opening ceremonies.
Take our lead.
12 o'clock noon. The event will take place starting at 12 o'clock noon each day, centered at Sunrise Boulevard and A1A. Taking place May 7th and 8th, the Fort Lauderdale Air Show will be headlined by the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds, Canadian Forces Snowbirds, and Breitling Jet Team from Dijon, France.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Location and tickets. You can watch the show from many vantage points across Fort Lauderdale for free, without a ticket, but reserved spots on Fort Lauderdale Beach are for sale. Tickets are being sold online only.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Committed performers include the United States Air Force Thunderbirds, the United States Air Force A-10 Thunderbolt, Warthog, Golden Knights, Geico Skytypers, Mike Golian, David Windmiller and others. The show will take place 12 to 3 p.m.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.